po sa exit doors. Basta likuran.
Hindustan, yeah? Okay. The third is the Vaisya, and the last one is number 4 is the Sudra. Sudra class, yeah? So I am the third one, yeah? So what they call it Gusti.
So, we were going to eat here. Ang sabi nila may similarity doon sa Chinese food. Let's see.
Wala sa bayan namin yun, pero inaano ng bayan. Ina-adapt lang.
This is where you buy souvenir. So, this is the pool. Para siyang para siyang henan sa Boracay. Finally, makakapag-check-in na din sa wakas. This is my room for 5 days and 4 nights. So, today pupunta kami ng Ulu-Tawu Temple. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Basta pupunta kami. Dapat kaninang umaga yun. Kaso lang, ang daming ganap kaninang umaga. Ikukwento ko lahat bukas. Pagdating ng pinakamahalagang bagay sa akin. So ngayon, i-enjoyin ko muna yung sarili ko kahit bad trip ako. Okay, let's go!
Where is she? You go there? Where?
Get ready with me. So, tapos na ako mag-ayos ng buhok ko. Oh my God, wait. May nagtumatawag. So, ayan. Here's my outfit for today. Hindi na ako nakapag-breakfast kakaayos kasi kararating lang nung luggage ko. So, mag-i-story time ako all about my luggage ko. Bakit ngayon lang nakarating? So, yun. I'm ready to go. So, andito kami sa batik. Batik daw tawag dito?
Sa gawaan.
Sa batik. Sa gawaan ng batik. Ganito yung ginagawa nila dito. Yan yung ginagawa nila. And then painting yung nilalagay nila dyan sa cotton daw yan. Ayan. Ito yung mga ano. Ay, hindi. Akala ko mga finished product siya. Ay, so yeah. Bilihan lang din talaga siya. Ay. So, our second stop is Ubod. So, bawal daw mag-video doon kasi they want to keep the information just for us or for the tourists lang na pumupunta dito. So, ayan. Nothing special here naman. Just the paintings lang. And a lot of paintings here. Meron pa sa loob.
This car, we call it is Ubud style, yeah? The landscape, and then the flower and birds, and then the... That's why they have two sizes, big one, small one. Small one is male. But they have strong taste. Because inside they have only one to drink this and then mama will be happy. That's right.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Papa strong, mama
I
happy.
have coffee, they make this. Cocoa, chocolate. And this is already. Life is so short to drink cheap coffee.
So, andito kami sa Kintamani View. Kintamani. Kakain kami ng lunch. And this is the volcano.
Some like customer,
Look at our view here in the restaurant. We will eat our lunch here before we proceed our tour for today.
Start na.
Ang ganda. Our peep spot is Kirta and Pool. And now we will go inside. All of the temple here need to wear sarong. This is
Parang kanta.
Here's where you can come inside.
Okay.
Wow.
But over here, so you may have a look, yeah. So they have the spring, yeah. So they have the two of the different colors. So they got black one and then the white color there. So it is the bigger bubbling. So actually that the water how to use for purify, for cleansing the outside in the second courtyard, all the water is coming from here. So this one, that now what they call the Tirtha Ri Air Hampul. Yeah, Tirtha is the holy water. Hampul is like the bubbling. Yeah,
So last stop here sa Abbayans Desarize Terrace Pukudwe. Ano ba paano ba ito? Ito. So ayan yung pangalan na. Name ng place ng last stop namin. We will do a swing. This is the famous spot here in Bali, Indonesia.
Tapos, mag-rent muna tayo.
It's the big one.
Yes.
The big one.
Okay, here's the prices.
about the 4 minutes, yeah. 4 minutes. How many that
What color of the dress you will take? Red one, the model, like this or like that?
They are color violet.
Patalikod pala tsaka paharap.
Talaga?
Kasi magsuswing ako dito.
So patalikod din paharap.
Ayan.
Talaga atakihin sa puso pala.
Lalapit ako. Ayan, okay.
all the dress?
Oh my God!
Nice! What you try buy, yeah? Here.
Sulit! Hindi ako natatakot, nahihilo ako.
Oh, that's good.
Huwag ka tumingin sa baba. Sa taas lang. Beautiful.
It's maganda. Ini jangan dimodor, merti.
So, this is the end of our tour today. We will just eat here for our dinner and then we will go back to our hotel to sleep.